mommies. You know I wanna rock your body. You know I wanna do some things, like tear that pussy out the frame. We some top flow, penthouse suite type niggas. I am not a rapper, I'm a poom poom killer. Slim, handsome, rich head nigga. No, we can't forget about the bitch head niggas. So if you love the game, then pull them titties out. We got everything you need for you to rock your body now.
When I talk to the shrink, you better not blink. 99 problems that start with the kink. One in a pink, one in a stink. When you shave it down, is it still mink? Come sue me, me to me. Surviving, yay, come shoot me. You wanna color me bad like a cool G. You wanna pack me up like a 2-me. Everybody waiting for me to say the wrong thing. Okay, you the king, Burger King.
We got everything you need for you to rock your body now.
Girl, for me like you supposed to, and don't be in your feelings, I can't post you. Double like pics, fix you. I already got a color, I go ghost to. Ain't tripping if I lost you. Do think real life like a cartoon. Stand tall like a brush stool. Ain't time to shot wreck, I mean shit move. I mean shit move. I mean shit move.